What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another video. This time I'm going to show you guys my custom switch box from Overkill Audio. Definitely something that is so useful to have. I can't even tell you guys. So if you're like me and you have a bunch of lighting and you want it to be controlled by just a simple button to either turn one on or all of them on, or however you want to do it, really the customization of it is totally up to you, but it is definitely a game changer. So let's get in the car, let's go check it out. Ooh, what is that over there? So here it is, guys. Here's my little switch box. So, and here's the beautiful part about this is you can customize these switches to whatever you want. So I've got one switch for my wheel rings, one for my underglow, one for my starlight headliner, and then I've got one that's for all on. So I really wanted to, I hit this button, it turns everything I have wired into the car on. If you were like me before, you had to go in your app, you got to go on your phone, go in your app, and then turn on each light one by one. Such a pain in the ass. But going this route with this panel, it just makes life so much easier. So here's a little short video of the panel, how it comes. You can see with all the wiring, everything is wired to each button, and then in that button there is a relay that you can get. Obviously these are all powered by relay, so that's going to tell whatever light to turn on and off whenever you want. Again, super nice to have. So if you're in the market for something like this, or you're like me where you're starting to add more and more lighting, again, going into your app, going into your phone all the time, and having to turn them on one by one, it's too much. Especially with the more lighting you add, it's going to be too much though. So for example, if I want to turn my starlight on, it is on. I know it's it's dark in here, but you can barely see it. But I'll hit the button again, off. Hit the button, on. So you guys see what I'm talking about. Again, it's very useful. Cuts the power to obviously whatever lighting you have, but when you turn it back on, it'll turn it on to whatever setting you had before, which is super nice. It's not going to go to a default setting or whatever. It'll just go back to whatever lights you had before, which is super nice. Definitely recommend this for you guys. I know they make this for Chargers and Challengers. I know before this is just like a little coin change, little, I really had no use for it. You know how we do on this channel, we just go custom everything. Definitely hit them up if you are looking to sort of kind of simplify your life a little bit, add some customization, because it does help. Let me tell you, again, it does help. Besides that, guys, that's all I have for you. Again, short little video, just want to show you guys a little recap of this little panel, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.